Yeah. They could go there. Would be great because the problem is they just fly along and sometimes I'm as guilty.
Not me. Not like a little old lady.
Well, I get in that car.
We got an audience. That road that van just came down, where did it go?
Which way?
Where that van just came down?
Oh, that's a dead end at the learning center. Yeah.
Oh, I don't care. How long is it?
Oh, no, it's just at the top. Come on. Come on.
They're doing great.
Yeah. They're not afraid of the cars. It's just the cars are nobody. It's front-wheel drive is the problem. I'm surprised that dog. He's so good that he's doing that.